Welcome back. It is time to start thinking about booking a summer trip. Yep. Sign me up. Whether it's by car, by flight, even setting sail. We have two travel experts in. Colleen Kelly, host of Family Travel with Colleen Kelly, and then Pamela Holt, host of Me, Myself, and the World. Ladies, you guys know how to travel. I tell you, every time you come in here, I'm like, okay, I just want to go with them. Wherever they're going, sign me up because they have a lot of fun. The first place that we're going to talk about today is a place that is easy to get to. You can hop by car and head to Galveston. And I love the Texas coastline. Mm-hmm. It is a beautiful place, and there's a lot to do with families and with friends too.
Yeah, right. Galveston Island is the perfect summer getaway because you get to enjoy the Gulf waters, be on island time, and the key is no passport is required.
Ooh, that's true.
That's a big thing.
Very true.
And you know, if you're heading down to Houston for the upcoming FIFA World Cup, Galveston Island has over 5,000 short-term rentals, so my gosh, what a great way to enjoy the water and island time, but be close to the festivities and away from all the traffic and all the hustle and bustle.
Yeah.
And I wanted to share a few little hidden gems down there. I don't know if you know, but you can go horseback riding on the beach at sunrise.
Oh, that's fun.
You can take glass bottom boats, glass bottom kayaks, and at night they put neon lights in it. So
that's cool. Yeah, can kids do that too?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, they would love that. Oh,
they have
that's fun.
A speakeasy at the Pineapple Parlor.
Okay.
And if you want sort of an elevated experience, why not go deep sea fishing during the day, and then a private chef come to your
and cook the fish you caught.
Look it
cook the fish. See,
I
like this. I like this. I do absolutely zero work. Yeah, the Galveston Island State Park, I know. The Strand Historic District is a really cool place too.
Meet a penguin at Moody Gardens.
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a great trip, great family trip or couple trip or girl trip.
Girls
too.
getaway.
Another one, you're saying, don't forget about the Midwest. Madison, Wisconsin. I feel like you closed your eyes and you're like, where are we going here? We're going to Madison. What is in Madison, Wisconsin that I need to see?
Oh gosh. Okay, first of all, I grew up in Texas, so we know it can get a little toasty in the summer.
Yes,
right?
true.
So Madison, Wisconsin has nonstop flights from DFW, an hour and 15 minutes, and you are there. You can also drive, of course, but it is incredible. It is the capital of Wisconsin. It is situated on a lake, so you've got all your water sports or whatever that you
want to do.
Do there. It's a foodie town. They've got over 39 James Beard Award winners that practice there, and it's just incredible. They have the world's largest food. What is
Brat. The Brat Festival.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And very walkable city is what I've heard. Okay.
Beautiful, stunning restaurants, everything you could possibly think of to get out of this Texas heat.
Yeah.
And just enjoy the summer there. And again, many festivals, wonderful farmers market, and incredible restaurants. So I mean, it's
Madison, Wisconsin. It is now on my radar. Thank you so much for that. I'm looking into that one for sure. Yeah. What about these Windstar Cruises? I've heard about these. Some people love cruises. Some people say no. But this, if you're not so sure, this might be a good one to take because they're smaller, right?
They're smaller, so they have about 150 to 350 passengers.
Okay.
They are luxury. So, and they can also get into ports that other big cruise ships cannot.
Oh, that's
which is
interesting.
why I love this cruise line.
Yeah, but what makes Windstar really unique is they have this river to ocean approach. So you get the intimacy of river cruising, but you have the freedom to explore from yacht style voyages. So they can go into England, Bordeaux, and Seville, but this summer, now they do Mediterranean voyages throughout the year, but this summer they're doing quick getaways. These are 5 days or less, sailing out of London and going to the most iconic ports like Mont Saint-Michel and Bruges. It is perfect for the first-time cruiser or for someone who wants to tack on a little sea fun on their European cruise.
Well, and if you're going to London, then at least you can pop into some other places quickly. That might be a fun little jaunt, if you will. I like that. And book now, right? Now's the time to be booking summer.
Okay. So right now, this week is the end of the Goldilocks period for travel. That just right time to book because coming up, I think prices will go up almost 25% as you move into that less than 60-day window.
Ooh,
and I also say, like, get on that flight earlier. I know 5 in the morning is not ideal for most people, but the second you get on that flight, you have more options.
Yeah.
Good planning. You can catch Family Travel with Colleen Kelly on PBS, Me, Myself, and the World on Amazon Prime. Thank you, ladies, for the ideas.
Thank
Love
you,
it.
Lauren.